our channel Science and Knowledge. The most futuristic flagship beast, the Samsung S27 Ultra, is expected to feature 6G connectivity, a record ultra-high-resolution camera, and many other major upgrades. According to the latest available data, the future flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra will break all records in the smartphone market. Truth or hype? Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New reports claim that the future Galaxy S27 Ultra as a device that could be the first commercial phone to integrate 6G connectivity. However, experts suggest that the new 6G connectivity remains in the early research and development phase worldwide, and making the inclusion of 6G in a consumer phone within the next year quite unlikely. Analysts are agreed that real-world 6G technology will require years of infrastructure and ecosystem readiness. Thus, marketing a 6G-capable device at this stage would be premature. Alongside connectivity leaks and rumors, the camera upgrade to a record 310-megapixel sensor has also caught widespread attention. This would significantly surpass the 200-megapixel sensors currently used by Samsung's top-tier Ultra models. Despite the hype, no credible leaks or official documents have confirmed such a development. Instead, industry insiders believe Samsung will continue refining its existing 200-megapixel sensors, with improvements in image processing, sensor size, and AI-driven photography features. Experts emphasize that improved camera quality is not solely dependent on resolution numbers. Factors such as pixel size, low light performance, optical image stabilization, and AI software optimizations play crucial roles in photo quality. Therefore, the 310-megapixel sensor claim is more likely a speculative concept image rather than an actual confirmed specification. Additionally, the Galaxy S27 Ultra might introduce experimental features, such as a next-generation infrared face unlock system, and advanced AI enhancements aimed at photography, productivity, and device security. Before all this, Samsung is going to launch its Galaxy S26 series lineup within a few weeks, which will hit the market with a new reputable tech features and new design language changes. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.